everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Money Making Monday. And today we're going to be looking at Attapoll. Now, Attapoll is another survey making site, and this has really good surveys for really good credits. Now, the credits here are high amounts. So what we have here are sites that are worth 100 credits, 81 credits, and 28 credits. So it shows the ratings of stars, the number of credits you get, and also how many minutes it takes to survey. So let us go to 100 credits. All right, so we're going to load the survey onto here, and it'll give you 1 credit when you start the survey, which is really good. So it'll allow you to redirect to the survey, and it'll also start the process. Now, it'll ask you questions like where do you live, how much money do you make, that sort of thing. It'll ask you general survey questions. So we're going to wait for this to load here and see if this will allow us to qualify. You will do survey English, yes, and then it'll select the year of the birth. Let's just say I was born in 1974 and May. So we're going to go next, and then let's say I'm a male, which I am. Then I'm going to enter zip code 90078. So that's my zip code. We're just going to press next. We already pressed next here. Now, it may take a while to load depending on the zip code that you're using and also the frequency. So we've already entered the zip code, so we're going to press next here. We're going to see if it'll advance the screen. Some surveys don't work, so we're just going to keep pressing here. Okay, somehow it's not working. Let's try another postal code. It probably wanted a Canadian postal code. We'll just try this. Okay, so it's very specific. So we're going to say working part-time, and it shows the green there. This is sometimes what will happen. It'll say the company conducting the survey disqualified you, but you still get rewarded the credits. And to check the credits, you go check balance, and then it'll show how many credits you make. So if you have up to 300 credits, you can cash out. So I have 71 credits right now, and I've earned $1.14. Now, as you see on the bottom here, my recent payment requests, I've cashed out on 426 and 343. You can choose PayPal, you can donate it, you can choose Bitcoin here, but you need 10,000 credits for it. And then this is also a bit chain, which you need 250 for. With PayPal, you need at least 300. And then you can donate any amount. By pressing the donate button there, you need at least 100 to donate. And then if you go up on top, it shows transaction history. And then it shows your balance and everything else. And then you can refresh it by pressing refresh. And then you go back. And then you press the 3 lines. And then it shows your home, balance, invite friends, help, and settings. So if you go to invite friends, it'll give you a unique referral link. And you can click on this link in the description below so you can get your first reward when you sign up. And these are the ones that is already given us. This is a really cool way to earn some extra cash on the road. So that's it. This is a pretty self-explanatory app. It'll send you notifications when you sign up. And when you have notifications turned on, it'll say new survey, 28 credits, 15 minutes, such and such and such. So this is a great way to earn money on the go. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. Have a great day.